My wife found INSSKI Construction through Thumbtack. First contact that we had, David came out and took a look at the project that we wanted to do and gave us some ballpark figures that were in line or even a little bit less than a couple of the other contractors that we had come out. What I liked was that he explained about why we would want to do different type of resurfacing than we had planned. We just kind of had an idea of what we wanted to do and didn't really know if it was possible. So he was able to explain a little bit about why what we wanted to do wasn't the best idea and some options for making it look better. In the end, the back patio section that we had covered over ended up looking a lot better than I thought it would. We were just looking for something simple, basically cover over some broken concrete and some low spots that were pooling up water the few times that it rains here in LA. So the end result that we got, especially out of the back section, is a lot better than I really thought it was going to be. It is a smooth, even surface. The water drains properly. It drains into the drain that we already had existing. It took a number of days just because of all the layers of everything from chipping up what was there, leveling that out, putting down one layer of cement, putting down a couple of layers of the sealant, and then the coating. But it looks great, and it'll probably last longer than a lot of the patio that we already have out here. The front, we had a project my wife had wanted to do for quite a while. That we had an ugly porch. The previous owners had just painted it over and the paint was chipping, and so we wanted that replaced, and we wanted some stonework done. So nothing too grandiose, something a little more simple, but we wanted the front to be a little bit more appealing than the ugly orange, scratched up orange paint that it was. So that project also took about 3 or 4 days, everything from chipping up all the paint that was there in order to prep the surface to basically prepping the surface, putting the stone down, picking out all the stone. He made it easy with being able to, went to a local store, picked out the exact tiles that we wanted. So there wasn't a lot of guesswork back and forth as to what was going to get laid down and what it was going to look like. And then from the packages, the stones came in packages of 10. They went through and picked out the ones that were most alike rather than just laying them down slapdash, doing it quick and doing it easy, trying to make the stones look like they fit together, as well as even some of the patterns in the stone to be able to kind of flow through the front so that lines were at the same angle so they weren't crisscrossing and looking horrible. That also, like I said, took about 3 or 4 days. But again, the quality of the work that was done and the outcome was exactly what we were looking for.